Hey everybody, today I'm making the false bottom for my brew kettle. The opening of my brew kettle is somewhere between 12.5 and 13 inches wide. So what I've done here is I've made a loop of string. It's about 6 inches long, and I'm just tracing out a circle on top of this drying rack from an oven. It's stainless steel, perforated, so it's pretty good. It's fairly small size holes, so we'll see how it does as far as a false bottom. Okay, now that I've got the circle drawn, I'm cutting it out now with my angle grinder. I have a cutting wheel on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and trace that circle around and around until I get all the way through the metal. This is fairly thick steel, so you wouldn't be able to cut through this with a pair of shears. There's a couple other tools you could use for this, obviously, but this is what I have, and it works fairly well. This whole process for cutting out the circle took about 7 or 8 minutes total. Um, and you can see I do about a quarter of the circle and cut all the way through for that section and then move on to the next section. Now that the circle is cut out, I've switched wheels to a grinding one, and I'm just grinding off all the little bits and pieces. Because it's perforated, there's a lot of little jagged edges coming off of the sides there, and so I just went around grinding everything off as best I could. Okay, now that the false bottom's been cut out and the edges ground smooth, I'm drilling a center hole for the drain pipe to fit through. Alright, so false bottom's been cut out, and now we're just test fitting everything, make sure everything works. And there it is. Hopefully in the next few days I'll be able to clean everything up and get it ready for my first batch of 10-gallon beer.